Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dagobert Duck token. Ticker symbol is DAGO. Now this token is trending number 4 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. This token was created on Moonshot, a place where you can create Solana meme coins, I believe base meme coins too. Maybe there's others, but definitely Solana base meme coins can be created on Moonshot, and you can tell that they were created on there because on DEX Screener they'll have the little moon emblem in the corner right by the name. So they have been doing some marketing today. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume. Market cap is around $7 million. Just a huge project, and we're going to go over the information on the Dagobert Duck token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. At Dago Coin Fam, the richest meme coin in the world, Dago, ready to take over the crypto world. Join us and dive into the money vault. So 19 posts so far, 2,326 followers, and they just joined Twitter in December 2024. Brand new project, lots of followers already. And, they've been posting their charts because their chart is doing very well. There's lots of memes. And, yeah, just Merry Christmas to everybody. So if you go over to their webpage, dagoduckcoin.com, you're going to find links to all their socials. So they have a Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, and they have a link to the DEX Screener chart as well. You can also find this token on SoulScan. And then other places to see the chart would be Dex Tools, Bird Eye, and then maybe they'll be listed soon because they're doing very well. Maybe they'll get the CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings as well. Now, the contract address ends in Moon, because this token was created on Moonshot, like I mentioned earlier. Huge market cap. So right now, their market cap is $6.7 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. And just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $30.6 million. They've had 192,079 transactions just today. They have $429,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, token price today, 0.0071 USD. This token is up 809% in the past 24 hours. They're trending number 4 right now on DEX Screener, and they have been doing marketing. It says they have the 1,210 marketing boost lightning bolt ads button there. So, yeah, they've been shilling out the token nicely on DEX Screener, and it says this token pair was created exactly 1 day ago on Raydium. So very brand new project here. 954.6 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 29,798,080 pooled Dago tokens. So it says, in a world of boring cryptos, Dago is ready to make a splash. Inspired by Dagobert Duck, it's time to get serious about fun and wealth. Hashtag crypto life. So on DEX Screener, you can find a quick audit. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. If you go over to DEX tools, you could find a different quick audit by Quick Intel Security. And it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, it's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. Does not go over everything. They do have a DEX score of 99 out of 99 and a community trust score of 90% out of 20 votes. So not too bad there. Just keep in mind those are all just quick audits and they're not full audits. Now, they have 28,460 holders so far. That is a lot of holders in one day. They also have here, so they probably started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary. Right now, 951.56 million tokens is their total supply and their circulating supply. So on their webpage, there is a button to buy this token that will take you over to the Phantom app where you could get a wallet. So then there's the pool on Raydium. So basically how you would get this token here is, first of all, you need a wallet. So you could get a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Soulflare, or Phantom wallet. Any wallet that could store Solana tokens. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So once you funded your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, dagoduckcoin.com. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. This token may also become available on other DEXs like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and then maybe some more central exchange listings in the future, and that's why it's a good idea to follow the socials. So it says, Dago, just hodl and swim in the crypto gold, and then it's just got some pictures of the Dago duck. So there's not a ton of info on their webpage. You can check out the TikTok if you want to, though. So they have here a community Telegram, and it is at JALUCE world_raid. 12,347 members, 4,928 of them are online. It says Dago community, so you could join that and discuss the project with other community members. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.